Well, hell. What happened to my 80-degree weather? Well, it is February, I suppose. And what we have today is my Flowtron Bug Zapper. And I've had this thing for quite a while, and it's been really good. The only thing is I end up having to change the bulbs every 6 months or so because they kind of wear out. But you know, I use it 14 hours a day, so it's pretty well used for the last several years, but it's been pretty good. But I got one bulb that I just replaced. I just replaced them both, and one of the bulbs doesn't work. Let's see. And there's something that's loose, or that sounds loose, inside of the thing. So we're going to plug it in and see if we can figure this out. But let's start taking it apart. Maybe. Okay, so it's the bulb farthest, or the lamp farthest from the plug. That's the one that's acting up. So, looks like we got a couple of screws. Alrighty then. Now that's what was rattling around. Mud dauber's nest. Jeez. Not what you're gonna do with that. But alright, let's take a look at it. See what we got here. Oh, I think I may have found my problem. Maybe not. Feels like I don't have a connection in there somewhere, but let's clean that off a little bit. Okay. So, we got main power coming in here, and it goes to the one that works. Actually, that's, sorry. Yeah. The neutral then goes to the other one, and the rest of the stuff goes to these, what appear to be ballasts and transformers and things. Get out of here, bug. Huh. Okay. I know this one's not working. I don't see anything wrong with its connection to there. This one is working. And that's some flimsy ass stuff. Yeah. it. Yeah. I don't know what those little lampy things are, and I'm wondering if one of these may have gone bad. Let's go get some electricity and find out. Well, that's a positive. Let's try to see if I can get one of these plugged back in. Alright, so that's the one that works. It's hard to see these damn things. That's the one that doesn't. It's glowing a little bit. Yeah. I'm not sure if it's possible to tell on there, but you can see how the top one is glowing. The bottom one just barely lit. Oh, look at that. There it goes. Turns out what it was probably, now they both lit. It was most likely a dirty connection up in the top, which is good. Put these back in quick before it disappears and starts changing its mind that it's going to work. So that's working again, and everything seems to be working. It's cleaned out now. It's not really a good way to plug all those holes to keep the bugs out of it, so on a certain frequency you probably ought to pop the top off of these things and see what may have gathered in it. But that's today's fix. And now you've seen the inside of a Flowtron Bug Zapper. If you all like what you see, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs down. That's great. If you want to see more of these videos, you can check out the rest of my channel, or please subscribe, because I'll be doing these on whatever the hell breaks around the house. I usually I don't like buying new stuff, so I tend to fix it, or at least try. And I usually make little videos and throw it up there so you guys can maybe see what's going on with some of the stuff you've got. So hope you all have a good day.